tick clutch master cylinder. I installed it and I took it back off. Stick around and find out why. The first one getting here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. 7mm. So there's also some under here. We got one. And then one right in here. And it landed on my boom. These are your udders. So if you ever get water inside, it's more likely because these are clogged. So clear those. But yeah, here is the clutch. We're gonna take this out and put the new one in. Alright. So we're down to move lower portion, remove panel in the driver's electrical to gain access to master cylinder your clutch pedal. So we gotta take this bottom part off, but I'm in the street, so it's gonna be hard to film. So you got one clip right here. I got this trim removal tool. I'll hit it with this. That's one. And then there's another one over here. You can't see because it's too dark in here. Okay, so I got one. Got two, and then there's this metal one back here that I don't know how they can get up. I've done this before too, which is crazy. Okay. So I got the clip off. There's like a little ring with it, so I'll put that right there. Remove the back pedal, so that's this pedal right here. Some tin. That's one. And there's one down here. Says to twist the master cylinder counterclockwise from the fender well to release it from the firewall. So we go outside. Here we are. Let's see. Pull it out this way. So boom, got this one out. I took this off. I think a bit, whatever. If you're changing this and not doing a tick, you have to take this off and put it on your new one. But I'm not using that, so let's remove the clips from this. Be careful with your paint. Now we gotta remove the clutch pedal assembly from the whoa. That's crazy. The car, so there's 13mm bolts holding this on. Where they are, I have no idea. We're gonna find out. And I think that's one right there, and then two is gonna be right there, and then looks like the third one, they're all on the same side, so the third one is like up back in here towards the firewall. It's hard to see, so There it is. So then there's 1, 2, and then there's one back here. So I'm gonna take this clutch, put a little switch off and see if we can get to it. All right, got the third pedal off, or the, whatever you want to call it, clutch pedal. You gotta take off this. You don't really have to take it off. You can't see that. There's a clip right here. Wire. You can trim and remove it. Got that out. Got one little piece. Alright, once the pedal has been removed, in the Corvette, use sticky template, drill holes, 3/8 bit. Note there's a small hole and the pedal cylinder that is used to reference the location of the template. So it comes with this little template right here. And boom. Bam. So definitely gotta get that hole over that and then bam. So, yeah. Alright, that's on there. I'm going to start off with a little one, then work my way up to the 3/8 because we got to get these big holes right here through. So, get back to you guys. Alright, I got the holes. I'm going to route this. Do it from the other way. Boom. And then the bolts come in from the back. Sure you want to back that nut off. Get this, twist it out. So then it meets up with this. So that's it. Check this off. Boom. I wonder if this goes back on. Alright, time to put it back in. Got everything situated. I did the adjustment on this already, but I'm gonna pop this off just to make sure I don't push any air in there. But yeah, boom, boom. Put this in. Get back to you guys. All right, I got that back in. I had to take out this little thing right here so it can slide up in there. I did take the clutch spring off. And I took off the rod, the adjustment rod, and just took my time. You're gonna use both hands. You're gonna be in here upside down doing this. It's tough, but it'll get back in there. Just take this off, this little button piece thing right here, and you'll get it. So next, I gotta put on the little sleeve on the outside. So boom, we're gonna be putting this thing on. So, gotta take this off. This little rubber piece. And then somehow get this thing on here. See if it moves. This will be screwed out all the way. Boom. And let's see. I'm surprised it's at an angle. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, back. Alright, that's on there. This is kind of loose. It says leave it loose until you get desired angle on this. So I'm gonna put this back on right here. These two clips. Boom, boom. Alright, let's skip some steps, but I got this tightened up. Got this tightened up. I got a zip tie on this. Might not be big enough. We'll see. That's right up to here. I'm gonna fill this up. Boom. Let's finish up the side. So in here, I gotta route the pedal. Put the thingy back on. You can't see. Hold on. Okay, you gotta make sure you plug this back in. That's back here. Plug it back in. this guy back on here, but there's a nut first. I'm gonna put this nut back on first. There you go. Got that back on. So let me get this little clip back on. It goes this way. Not down there. Installing the third pedal back, putting those two 10 millis on. So that's on. Get on. And then of course that one down there. Alright, so I'm back way days later doing this again because this leaked. So one, this Henson later leaks. And I'm pretty sure I overextended this slave from the Tickmaster because I over-adjusted the Tickmaster too high. So I'm just going to take the Tickmaster cylinder out and put a stock one back in. And yeah. Alright, so this is the Tickmaster cylinder. I had this on the car. I took it off the car. Reason being, I over adjusted this adjustment rod on the back too high, and I forced too much fluid through my slave cylinder and overextended that. So I took this off. Two reasons I took it off was because I didn't like the pedal height. So the pedal height will be lower when you use this Tickmaster cylinder on your car. It's gonna be about an inch or a half inch lower than your brake pedal. And second reason being because it felt like an on-off switch. There's no easing into your clutch with this thing. It's just either it's on or it's either engaged or disengaged. So I went through the whole install. You guys probably just seen that in a video. And when I went to bleed the thing and everything started leaking. Of course, this, I did a video on my clutch replacement. This was a problem too. This remote bleeder line leaked. I can't remember the company of that one. I got a Monster one that has had no problems. Drove to Vegas, everything, that's all good. So with this, over adjustment and clutch disengagement and engagement, I'm keeping it. I'm not selling it because I am going to supercharge this car in the future. And if I have any problems, you know, shifting or anything, I'll be putting that right back on. Only thing that scares me is I heard that once these go out, they're stuck and you're stuck. So of course it's new. It probably won't go out anytime soon, but I don't know. But it's not a hard install. The hardest part is definitely this little release right here. So what happened with the adjustment is I over adjusted it and it did that. So the way to adjust this is you start off low and you adjust up until it disengages. Okay, so you unscrew, you get in the car, try to move the car. If the car doesn't disengage, move it up just a little bit more. Boom, keep adjusting that, and then when you're done, tighten up the nuts. Make sure you do not over adjust this. I can't stress that enough. Don't over adjust this. Good product, just didn't like it for me, but I am keeping it just in case. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one.